The great immersion blender, also known as a hand blender or stick blender, can complement a well-equipped kitchen, offering a convenient alternative to dragging out larger appliances for many basic kitchen tasks. There are many products available to choose hand blender, each product with different benefits, features and prices. To help you make an accurate decision, I've done much research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hand blender from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products for people like you. If you need to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my descriptions. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zule Original Milk Frother Hand Blender. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without any trip to a coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte, you know your tastes best. Works better than a manual matcha whisk for making matcha tea, and works far better than fork or whisk for coffee. It works very well to mix nutritious protein powder drinks with no extra container, blender or bottle shaker to wash. Use our mini mixer for your whisking and mixing needs. We use only premium materials. The construction will last, backed by our Zule guarantee to not rust or break, ever. The durable convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on, instantly clean. We love and take pride in our milk frother, and we back this up with a lifetime guarantee. Have the confidence that this frother will last. If there are ever any issues, just contact us and we will make it right. Order now and be assured that this product will live up to your expectations, guaranteed. Number 2. Mueller Ultra Stick Multi-Purpose Hand Blender. Whip up your favorite meals and drinks in record time. Our stainless steel, extra sharp blades mean your handheld blender can blend, puree, or mix even the most dense ingredients with increased precision and ease. Equipped with a 500-watt motor and comfortable ergonomic handle, this 3-in-1 blender is carefully calibrated to deliver on both looks and utility for the long haul. With 9 speeds, choose your preferred pace depending on the task at hand. We recommend a lower setting for things like frothing hot drinks, while blending starches and thick soups may require a higher setting. Kick it up a notch by tapping into turbo mode, a setting found on the side of your blender's handle. This burst of increased power helps you efficiently move through high-resistance, dense recipes with ease. Cleaning just got a lot easier. Simply detach your chosen attachment from your blender and place it in the dishwasher, ready to go for next time. Number 3. KitchenAid KSC3516IC Corded Hand Blender. Convenient 3.5 cup work bowl features a locking blade, handle and pour spout for easy serving and dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. With its small countertop-friendly footprint and simple cord wrap, it's easy to store, neatly tucking away when you're finished prepping. 2 speeds and pulse for coarse or fine results for anything from chunky pico to gallo and salsa, to creamy hummus, smooth sauce or tasty dressing. Easily incorporate liquid ingredients for sauces and dressings, while processing with the drizzle basin. This KitchenAid variable speed corded hand blender features an 8-inch removable blending arm with 4-point stainless steel blade to blend everything from smoothies to milkshakes, soups, sauces and so much more. It is easy to use with the variable speed trigger switch and includes a US patented removal pan guard to help protect your cookware. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid is great for individual blending jobs and can be used to serve direct from or to store your blended creation for a later use. Number 4. Vitamix Immersion Blender. Easily blend tough ingredients with our 625-watt motor. Our specially designed bell guard reduces suction and helps ingredients flow easily through the blades while protecting pots, pans, and your favorite blending containers from scratches. 5 variable speeds and a 4-pronged blade work together to make every texture. The Immersion blender had a 5-foot cord for convenience, so you can blend with dependable power. Fill a jar with 2 cups of water and add a few drops of dish soap. Submerge the bell and blade. Select speed 1. Start the Immersion blender and increase to speed 3 for 15 seconds. Turn off and rinse. Blend in any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening, including a smoothie cup or 1-quart white mouth mason jar. Our ergonomic wand makes it easy to operate the blender with one hand while adding ingredients with the other. Easily blend pesto, tomato sauce, or applesauce right in the pot with this blender. Number 5. KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender. Designed for the perfect puree, this KitchenAid variable speed corded hand blender features an 8-inch removable blending arm with 4-point stainless steel blade to blend everything from smoothies to milkshakes, soups, sauces and so much more. It is easy to use with the variable speed trigger switch and includes a US patented removal pan guard to help protect your cookware. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid is great for individual blending jobs and can be used to serve direct from or to store your blended creation for a later use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.